I wanted to jump on real quick one more time and do one more shout out. This time I want to shout out Jean Kuhn. I accidentally met Jean when a friend of mine told me through a text to like her Facebook page because she puts great things out on prospecting and for business owners. And as a realtor, I have to prospect all the time, and it's actually one of my most favorite things to do about the business. So of course I liked her page and I listened to some of the things she said, and it was great. And then about a week later, I get a private message from Jean telling me that if I'm not going to participate in the group, she's going to have to delete me. And I remember responding, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do in the group. My friend told me to like the page. I didn't even know what we were doing. So Jean went and explained that she was doing a 8-10 week training for small businesses during the coronavirus to keep them afloat and get their pipeline filled for when things open back up. And she proceeded to tell me what I was supposed to be doing. And being a middle child and a rule follower, I jumped on and jumped in with both feet. Except for the 5 a.m. club that I only did for 4 days because those girls are my heroes. As my body doesn't get up at 5 a.m. But like I told them, if they want to meet for coffee at 1 a.m. in the morning, we could do that. But I proceeded to follow the program and listen to what Jean was saying, and she offered just so much of her time, her personal time throughout this coronavirus, and invested in so many other people's businesses. I just wanted to shout her out. The 10 a.m. Zoom calls and the 4:30 helplines were just amazing. I have stayed focused. I have felt that my business was just cycling down a little bit because I just had closed several listings that I had. And I was a little bit concerned, if that's the word, how the coronavirus was going to affect new listings and things like that. I am happy to tell you, being with my tribe in Jean's group, they're motivating, they're encouraging. We were all working very hard during this time, and my business has not suffered at all. Actually, I have escalated, and I'm having the best year since I've been in business. So I'm super excited about that. But I did want to shout out Jean because her wisdom, the way she shoots from the hip, she doesn't tell you what you need to hear. No. Let me reverse that. She doesn't tell you what you want to hear. She tells you what you need to hear. And I like that because if I could figure out everything on my own, I would do it on my own. But we know in life you need people to pour into you. So I just wanted to shout you out, Jean. Thank you. It was a pleasure working with you during this time, and I know we still have things we're working on, so I'm excited to see where this goes. And again, just thank you for caring for so many other people during this time. Thanks.